The 12 tribes of Israel. Because, ngano kung lakbit sa isa-aning the 12 tribes of Israel. Because, nag-attend ko, he was also a Seventh-day Adventist. Pero, iyahamon kong prediction kanang lahi sa akong nabasahan. Because the Blue Sunday Law, National Sunday Law, wala pa ko, no? Bro, you are wrong. The Blue Sunday Law, naana Blue Sunday Law, dugay na. Di na tama paabot, wala, naana. In fact, sa Pilipinas, Republic of 746, Blue Sunday Law. Una sa United States, itong 18th century. So, wala na nila takapaabot na ang Antichrist. The more ka adhere to Jesus, the more ka the worship for God, ang revelation sa imong pagtuo, the more makita nimo ang prophecy nga na-fulfill in front of you. So, kanina si Bishop William Swing, mo na siya leader sa Abrahamic Temple dito sa United Arab Emirates, mga Quezon. So, arita sa arita sa kanang tawag nila the third tribe of Israel. Ngayon nakahisgot ko because kasuloy-suloy ko dahil mo namin ako mga lecturer for Wali nga sige mention ang United States is the great harlot, the modern Babylon. Mag-igsuunan ako nang i-research. Maybe someday, but I do not believe pagkakaroon nga United States is the great harlot. Ano man? Ang the great harlot, the geopolitics by Daniel, gikan dire sa the great Babylonia, gold, then replaced by Medo-Persia, then replaced by the Greece, the Roman Empire, with the last, ang katapusan sa iyong kulunon, gagabulag-bulag ato ang mga nation against nation. Basta, Matthew 24, nga nation against nation, kaya intensity sa war sa kalibutan. Mga igsuunan, ang United States, itong 1721 BC, 721 BC, ang Israel was conquered by Neo-Assyrian Empire. Okay. Now, the third tribe, the lineage, genealogy of Jesus Christ, is from the tribe of Shem, from Shem to Abraham, to Mary, then to Jesus Christ, David, to Solomon, to Jesus Christ. Now, the great harlot of Babylon, in 721 BC, the kingdom of Israel, the northern southern kingdom, was invaded by the Neo-Assyrian Empire. Na 30 sila, din sila gidala, and the tribe of Abraham, because Jacob as the son, si Joseph. Now, Joseph was not the actual inheritance sa kanya. It was Ephraim and Manasseh. Si Ephraim mo yung blessingan, supposed to be si Manasseh mo yung blessingan ni Jacob, pero si Ephraim mo yung blessingan ni Jacob. Magigsoon, dito sila nakalakyod sa yuta sa Caspian, kanang border sa Russia o sa Kazakhstan. Magigsoon, dito sila namuyo, then they travel to Mediterranean. Now, what will happen? What happened to them at the third tribe of Israel? Ang dua ka nagsuon, their brothers, Ephraim and Manasseh. So, magigsoon, dito sila sa Commonwealth of Nations. Okay? Akong basawan, saan ang Commonwealth of Nations? America is descendant of Manasseh and England is descendant of Ephraim. Okay. Matod pa diri nga Okay. Si Jake